Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about how to import by the our images into the static resources, and after that, those static resources, how to import into our LWC component and how to display the that imported logos into the our LWC component we discussed in the previous video. Now in this video, we are going to develop by the login page. This is one is the frame two, right? So how we are going to build by this one? Let's see the step by step. Come to the our Visual Studio. So now we have to develop by the frame two, right? So like in this frame two, we are taking to the lightning card title equals to, we have to give it by the login page. Okay, so here in this login page, so we have to give it by the enter the phone number. So here we have to take it by the lightning input. So this must be the accepted by the only phone number, right? That's why here type equals to telephone. By default, if we are not mentioned by the anything by the here, it's take by the text by default. Okay, so next is the here we have to give it by the placeholder. See here it is appear na, enter the phone number. This is called the placeholder. So placeholder, enter phone number. So this is the here we are given. Okay, next is the after that we have to give it by the login button. After that we have to give it by the login button. So how we are going to give it by the login button? So here lightning button label login variant brand, here we are given. So let's deploy up to this. Let's see the preview. We are given by the phone number and login button. Okay, login this one. Okay, label. This is the button we are given. So let's come to the here our page. This is the right. Initially appear by the like this. Let's say I'm refreshing by the page here. See here, login page, enter the phone number. If you're typing something, automatically it will be the taking to the here by the login page button, he'll be the appear. So now we can align this one, we can align to the like this center, like this center we need to align. So how we are going to align? We have the in the division tag, we can search it. So LDS division align center. SLDS, we have the align to this one. This is the division tag, align absolutely center. This is the our tag name. Just copy to this. After this one we can give it by the one division tag. So this button we are given to the particular division. And we have to give it by the some space between this login page and in phone number. So that's why here we can give it by the some two break space. So this is the immediately right. So but we need to give it by the some space like this. We have to give it by the some space, one line or two lines. So we are given to the two break space and absolutely aligned to the center. This is the standard SLDS. Let's deploy this one. Come to the here. This is right our page. We can refresh to the page. See here, login. We have the some space between and align come to the center. Align to the come by the center. Okay, next is the what we have to develop. Step by step we are developing. Login one is done. Next we have to the create account. Create account button. Okay, create account button. This one we have to develop. So let's come to the here. Again, we have to take it by the separate two breaks spaces. So here we have to take it by the another button. So here label create account. So variant we are giving the base. Variant we are giving the base. Click on save and deploy. So let's come to the here like this is right. Let's come to the our page. This is the now our developing to the page. Refresh by the page here. See here appear the like this. Create account. So here we are giving to the base rate by default. We can remove this brand. This is the automatically taken by the default one. Save. And this one also we need to give it by the align to the center. So that's why here this button also we can give it by the align to the center. This one also be the, we are giving to the align to the center. So let's come to the our page. Appear the like this. Let's refresh by the page. See here now. By default, it's take by the natural one, right? That is the here. So login page, phone number, login button, create a account. So here we are taking this one. We have the developed by the up to this one. Okay. If you want one space is enough like this, you can give it by the one break. If you want the two breaks, you can give it by the two breaks. Okay, let's save and deploy. And after that, next step is the how we are going to add it by the our logo, our company logo, how we are going to add it by the here. So same step earlier we are added by the static resource, right? Come back to the static resources, click on to the static resource, click on new. So here Abhignya logo, our company logo is this one. So let's select public, select by the here. This is the our logo. So save. We are added by our logo into the static resources. Now same way earlier we are imported, right? First we have to imported by the logo into the our JS file. Import Abhignya logo from @Salesforce slash resources resource URL slash our static resource name. What is our static resource name? Abhignya logo. We are added by this one. Let's take to the here same name Abhignya logo. So here this should dot Abhignya logo equals to here what we are giving is that name. Okay, that is the name. Here we are by the imported by the Abhignya logo as well. Now let's come to the here same scenario earlier we have to display an image. Our logo same like here also we have to display by the here logo image. So here our logo is the SRC. Our property name. What is the our property name? This is the our property name. And this one also by the must and should we can give it by the align to the center. First we can close it by the tag. Then this one also be the we need to align to the center. So again we have to take it by the separate division. So okay, let's SRC save. Let's deploy this one. We have to deploy this one also. I think we deployed or not, we can redeploy. So now come to the our page. This is the our page, right? Let's refresh. See here will be the appear our logo as well. Our logo as well here appear. Okay, like this step by step, we have to develop by our page. First, we can design the how we are going to develop. Step by step, we are going to develop. We can achieve our requirement. First, my motto is the only displayed by the enter the phone number. This is the we have the written by the first right. So input field we are taken to the and then we display to the up to here. Then after I need to the one login button. I take by one login button. After that, as per the requirement, we can align to the center. We are added by the align to the center division tag standard SLDS, Salesforce Lightning Designing System. Here we are used. And after that, as per the requirement, we need to create an account. This is we have displayed. This one also be the needed for the center. And finally, we have to display by the company logo. That company logo also we are imported to the static resource. Then after that logo, we are imported into the our JS file. After that, that is the we are stored into the one property. That property we can able to use to in the HTML. We display to the our logo. Okay, this is the we have the implemented. I hope it's clear how we are developed by this page. Okay, in the next section, we can discuss to the step by step. If it is the identify the phone number, it is already existing customer. We are navigate to the one page. If they want to create by the new account, we can go to the create by the new account page. Here is the two different to navigation. If they are existing customer, we navigate to the existing customer page. If they want to create by the new page, means new customer, they have to create navigate to the create account page. So how we are going to develop, we can see the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.